Before you sign up for the Go High Level, don't do it empty handed. Most people waste weeks or months trying to figure out funnels, automation, calendar, pipeline, entire Go High Level. They get frustrated and give up. So, what is the solution? When you sign up through our referral link, gohighlevel.com/Abdullah Zahid, I don't just give you the Go High Level. I give you my snapshots vault, which is 127 done for you industry snapshots, which is worth more than $10,000. In fact, far more than that if you individually value it. Now, if you bought them separately, you would have to pay this, like dentist, chiropractor, HVAC, insurance, medspa, and all of them also having an AI powered script to convert them into AI snapshot. But here's the real game changer. I create a private WhatsApp group as well between you, me, and my Go High Level expert. That means every question you have, every obstacle you hit, you will get direct personal answers. You will never feel stuck because we will walk you through step by step through the setup, onboarding, and your success. 100% free just because you have signed up using our link. I've interviewed the CEO and the co-founder of GoHighLevel, Shaun Clark, as well as the second co-founder, Varun Barawn, and I know these are one of the best people to have built one of the best products. That's why we are on a mission to promote this product full time. I've been associated with GoHighLevel as an independent affiliate from 2020, past 5 years. I've seen it grow. So click the link below, gohighlevel.com/Abdullah Zahid, and start your trial and unlock your snapshot plus WhatsApp support bonus right away. Do not sign up directly or through random affiliate links. For more details, just check out the website abdullahzahid.com/snapshots. There you will find the detailed bonuses that you're going to get. I wish you guys all the best. See you on my email abdullah@abdullahzahid.com after you sign up. Hi, my name is Abdullah Zahid and I have a confession to make. I have been associated with Go High Level as an independent affiliate from the past 4 years. I've done interview of Shaun Clark, the CEO and the co-founder, another co-founder, Varun Barawn. Super amazing people these are, one of the best software, and that is why we are on a journey to promote this software to as many people as possible. So we thought of solving the problem of the agencies for free. We have seen a lot of agencies who sign up new or just get on board with the Go High Level. They have a lot of issues because they do not know this. How do you set up, and then how do you use the system? They have a lot of question answer. They need constantly somebody to be around so that they can ask the question, they can get the setup. So they happen to even invest a lot of money hiring people around to get their website development, to do XYZ things. So we have converted all of this into a form of bonus for anybody who signs up using our referral link. So all you have to do is just go to the website abdullahzahid.com/snapshots, and that's where you can just click on the link and sign up for the 30-day free trial, or upgrade to the $297 or the $497 plan. Now, what are the bonuses that we are going to give you? Number one, one-to-one WhatsApp support, personal WhatsApp support. A group will be formed between me, you, and my Go High Level expert person, and the lady will be constantly there for your support. We'll do the onboarding, all your question and answer, anything that you wish to get developed, she will be developing. My goal is that the WhatsApp group will be ended only when you say, okay, I am satisfied with the support. That's the number one. Number two, you will be getting 127 exclusive snapshot. Basically, these exclusive snapshot, if you individually try to get them in the market, you'll have to pay thousands of dollars just for one snapshot. This is the done for you template, by the way. But here you are going to get it completely free, the entire 127 snapshot set. Not just that, even the personal website or the funnel development, if you wish, our Go High Level expert will do it for you. Then the fourth bonus would be, we understand the importance of the artificial intelligence. So the AI employee, entire grasping, like teaching you how do you do that, how does it work, and even doing the setup if you wish for it. And personalized guidance to all the secret trainings and the courses that are available for you to watch and do, as well as the private community access. So this is a personalized time bonus that we are giving to you, which is a unique bonus that you are going to get as an affiliate, because a lot of other people have seen they provide done for you courses and bonus, which you can get it anyways onto the YouTube and other promo materials. So here is the personalized support, which is really going to be beneficial for you guys. All you have to do is just go to the link abdullahzahid.com/snapshots as onto the screen, sign up for the 30-day free trial, or upgrade to the $297 or $497 plan, and you are going to get, like, using the button link available there, you'll get all the bonus I just mentioned, irrespective whether you sign up using our link or not. I wish you guys all the best, and I really love you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi guys, just want to shoot this quick video. Last month I signed up to Go High Level using Abdullah's affiliate link, and he gave me the snapshots as promised. And also I worked closely one-on-one with his GoHighLevel expert, and that was amazing and very helpful. She walked me through GoHighLevel, helped me create some workflows and automations. And yeah, if you're considering working with Abdullah or signing under his link, I highly recommend it. And yeah, wish you good luck. Cheers.